Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not new, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I had a new client who was generous enough to let me record her. So shout out to you, girl. She was super chill, but she actually came recommended from her mom. Her mom's been following me for a while. I'm not sure if it's on Instagram or YouTube or both, but shout out to you, mom, for trusting me with your baby girl's hair. I was super honored to do her silk press and also her first professional hair trim in over 2 years. So I wanted to record this because, as you can see, her hair is on a slant. Mostly because she sleeps on the one side of her head a little bit more, which is the left side where you see more breakage, but also because she does sports and she wears her hair with a hair tie that does have a little bit of metal on it. So you just want to be cautious that you have elastics in your hair that don't have metal or that cause tangles in your hair or to snag your hair. And another thing is like just not consistently wrapping her hair every night. So this is just a combination of things that I've analyzed and that I came to just meeting her and speaking with her and trying to get her lifestyle. So in this video, I just want to show you guys how I'm going to cut her hair. So this is not a hair trim. This is actually a hair cut due to one side being significantly longer than one side. So we decided to just go in, cut it, make it nice and even. And that's what I'm showing you guys here. So generally, there's a couple different ways you can do this. The method that I chose today is just my personal method, which is I'm just going in and basically doing a rough draft of her cut using my comb and my shears to just create a guideline. And then after I create that guideline, I am going to go in and clean it up, pulling everything out at a 90-degree angle as well. Another way that you could also do this cut is to section the hair in subsections. So for instance, in nape area in the back, and then doing your initial guideline and then just going up the head and pulling down sections of the hair to meet your guideline. I prefer to do this method just because it's what I wanted to do, but I go in based off of the client and I pretty much customize the cut or trim based off of the client's wants or needs and just based off of my experience, but do what's more comfortable for you, okay? So don't freak out if you're like, oh my God, why is she cutting her hair like this? I've been doing this for a long time and this is just the method that I want to show you guys. So again, she was super sweet and she was generous enough to allow me to record her dad as well. So shout out to you guys for allowing me to record this content and to post you guys. Again, she was super chill and she came about an hour and some change away to get her hair done. So I'm super appreciative. Recently, I've been having a lot of clients come from out of state. I had a client that drove 4 hours one way to get her hair done. Another client who drove 3 hours. Another client that came from Connecticut, Maryland, California. Like when I tell you my clients have been coming in from all over just from me being on YouTube and social media. And I'm super appreciative to each and every one of you guys that chooses me as your stylist. That's not something that I take lightly because I really am passionate about my job. So I just want to throw that out there. I've been literally super booked with color and just doing clients back to back. So I do apologize for the lack of content, but I just want to show you guys initially how I'm going to do her haircut because I know a lot of you guys want to see more detail and sometimes I do cut parts out or speed it up just to make sure that the video is not super long. But I just wanted to show you guys what we decided to do. And I'm just going with the highest point of her hair and I'm just going in and creating a nice like U shape. Then now I'm just going to blend and marry everything together. So when we were done, I did curl her hair off camera. All I did was feather her hair slightly and then run my rake comb through it. We were just going for something really sleek and with body. And because I know that she plays sports, we knew that her press wasn't going to last super long, maybe like 3 or 4 days until she has practice. So she's basically going to get like a week out of this press before she starts basketball season. So I was very honored that they came to me. Again, her mom said she did her research and she was definitely super stoked that I trimmed her, cut her daughter's hair. She even went out of her way to comment under my Instagram post telling me how thankful she was. So shout out to you again, Mom. I really appreciate that. It's the little things for me, and my clients really are just an amazing group of individuals. So I have to make that known. I literally have the best clients in the world. So I know I've been rambling. I miss you guys so much. I have about 4 more hair trim videos, haircut videos coming up. So I can't wait to post those. And I'm just going to finish out this haircut. And then I'm going to add the snippets of the end of me just having her shake her hair side to side. And it was so funny. I literally did this take 3 different times. So I just posted all 3 takes. But she was super happy with her hair, super excited. We both loved the end result. So I just got her to spin around a couple times and just shake her hair so you guys can see the end result and how much body and movement her hair has. And now that we are rid of the dead and uneven ends. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you have not already, subscribe to my channel and also follow your girl on Instagram. I do have to watermark my videos now because people are stealing my work, but that's neither here nor there. But thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.